Welcome back. Let's talk about why Java comments are important. You should always include comments in your code. Programming is often done by teams of people, and so other people on your team need to understand what was going on in the code and why you did certain things. Projects you work on will be inherited by other people. So a year from now, 5 years from now, somebody else might have to update your code. And so comments help to provide just kind of a trail of what you did and why you were doing it. And comments make it easier for you to read your own code so that you understand why you did certain things. The goals of comments is always readability. Make sure your comments contribute to the overall readability of your program. You don't have too many comments. You don't want to clutter your code with unnecessary comments. And comments should add new information and not just restate the obvious. Types of comments. We have seen multi-line comments at the top of BlueJ, but there are also single-line comments and end-of-line comments. This is a single-line comment in bold right here. You'll notice it starts out with 2 forward slashes. After the forward slashes, you can write just about anything. The comment above would sit on a line by itself, above the line of code it refers to. The interpreter, or Java, ignores comments. They're only in there for the human who's reading the code. However, the same type of comment can also follow the line of code, meaning it can be on the same line. For example, system.out.println, hello world. The comment would read, output demonstrating the use of a string literal. Again, it's not restating the obvious, but it's telling the purpose of what that system.out.println, hello world, is doing. Your next assignment today is Programming Project 1.A, and it's going to use comments. Your directions. On paper, write an application that prints on separate lines your name, your birthday, your hobbies, your favorite book, and your favorite movie. Use comments, either an above-the-line comment or a on-the-same-line comment, to label each piece of information in the output. Now, input your application into BlueJ and correct any errors so that your code compiles. You will submit the code in It's Learning. You will take a picture of your handwritten code to also turn into BlueJ, or you can put your code, your handwritten code, in the tray that's on the file cabinet by the bathroom pass. Make sure you submit a screenshot from the BlueJ terminal window demonstrating that the program worked as intended.